Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I'm DevOps and Cloud Trainer. Yeah, so we have recently started new batch which is multi-cloud with DevOps, right? So which was started on 24th Jan, right? So 3 demos completed. So first demo is DevOps introduction. Second demo is question and answers, technical questions, general questions. And today we completed a third demo which is cloud introduction. What is cloud? Why cloud? Why the project teams are looking for cloud infrastructure? What is cost saving? So what are the advantages of cloud? Those we discussed today, right? So we have completed 3 demos. Yeah, Monday onwards we are going to start regular sessions. So if you are interested, you can register as soon as possible and you can add into WhatsApp group. We'll share all the information in the WhatsApp group only. You can add into WhatsApp group and you can get all the information like so documentation and also recordings and all, right? Yeah, so Monday session is very important session which is SDLC, software development lifecycle. So don't miss the session. Yeah, Monday, yeah, you can add into WhatsApp group and you can attend the session on Monday. Fine. Thank you all.